You asked, how to divide 8016 by 2 using the long division method. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 4008.